Hey y'all, it's Kathleen Henderson from Yankee Homestead and Oil Together Now, and I am excited to tell you about our brand new peppermint soft gels. And they're not just any soft gels, but they are enteric coated, and I'll explain a little bit more about that in just a second. I wanted to make sure that you knew that all of the brand new 2019 products that were released at doTERRA's convention in September are now available as of October 1st. You can order them online individually. You can also purchase the convention kit, which is a savings over purchasing each item individually. The kit itself is $255. It is worth 200 points. If you're a doTERRA member, you can order that through your loyalty order and get loyalty points back on that. And you can also qualify for the awesome 200 points promotion going on this month. You can get so many extra freebies in addition to the already discounted kit when you buy them all bundled together like that. So please look for my other videos. I'm doing videos about each of the brand new products so you know how to use them, what they're good for, how much they cost, and all of those things. So let's talk about the peppermint soft gels. This is what they look like. They're pretty small, and they have, I'm not sure if you can see in the video that they're not shiny. They have this kind of matte finish because of that enteric coating. So let's talk about them. The capsules, there are 60 enteric coated soft gels in the bottle, and it's $18 wholesale, $24 retail, really affordable. doTERRA's peppermint has a high menthol content, which distinguishes it distinguishes high quality peppermint, the best quality peppermint, from lesser products. And peppermint is well known for helping to provide relief for digestive distress. And specifically when we're talking about these enteric coated capsules, we're talking about the lower intestines, the lower GI. So you can look up studies on this. I actually did just today, was reading all about it. Peppermint enteric coated peppermint capsules have been shown to ease all sorts of gastrointestinal distress, the gastrointestinal muscles, and it helps with the stomach and the intestinal tract. So specifically when we're talking about the lower GI, well, let me back up and say that the enteric coating, enteric means that it's related to the intestines. And what that means, practically speaking, is that when it passes through the stomach, the coating protects it from the stomach's juices, the acids and stuff in the stomach that would otherwise break down the coating and allow the capsule to open in the stomach. Instead, because we have that enteric coating, it keeps that peppermint intact all the way until it gets down to the intestines, and that is when the peppermint comes out and can deliver that relief in the intestines as opposed to in the stomach. So what we were talking about in those areas, the intestines, the lower GI area, is indigestion. Like you might feel heaviness, fullness after eating. You might experience gas. You might have some bloating. And also, this is really exciting. That's exciting too, help for indigestion, occasional indigestion. But anybody who has bowels that tend to be irritated, perhaps even on an ongoing basis, enteric coated peppermint has shown to greatly reduce discomfort and to really help with those types of concerns. So if you ever experience any of those types of concerns, or you know someone who does, then these enteric coated peppermint soft gels are going to be awesome for you. And I wanted to also remind you just that the difference between the peppermint soft gels and the Digest Zen soft gels, which we already have. Digest Zen is a blend of several oils, including peppermint, that are known to calm the digestive tract and the stomach and just help with a whole variety of digestive issues. The digestin soft gels do break open in the stomach, so they are good for calming stomach issues. And the peppermint, the enteric coated peppermint soft gels, will travel through the stomach to the intestines where they open and provide relief and comfort in the intestinal area, in the intestines. Okay, so I hope that helps you. I hope that makes sense. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, happy oiling and enjoy your new Peppermint Enteric Coated Soft Gels.